Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, we got another big blade in the shop from Gerber. We're going to take a look at it right after we roll that intro. Alright YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. We're glad to have you guys here. Now, as you saw by that intro, we're going to be taking a look at the Gerber LMF II Infantry. Now, that's the part that made me laugh. I don't know why they called it Infantry, because this is a Jeff Freeman design, and this was designed basically for air crewmen to help free themselves from a downed aircraft. I'm betting they designed this to kind of replace the older, the M4 and 99 survival knives that have been around forever and a friggin' day. And yes, this is mine. I've had it since 91. And I'm not too sure if you can see it in there, but it is the Camulus one. So it's one of the original ones, when they had the contract. And yeah, it's been beat up a little, as you can see here and here. But I'm betting they made that to replace this guy. But let's get into this one. It is a big, beefy sumbitch. Now, it's got an overall length of 10.59 inches. The blade is 4.84 with, as you can see, the partial serrations, which is they basically did that so it can cut through aircraft aluminum or cut straps off, a harness when you've crashed or something like that. I get that part, but it's a personal thing for me. When you put serrations on a blade like this, you almost reduce the overall cutting surface. Now, like I said, it's beefy. It's got a weight of 11.67 ounces. Now, one of the things I really truly like with Gerber when they did this, they sent it out to the field with deployed troops and told them, break it. Tell me exactly what you like about it, what you don't like about it, what we can do better. Now, it's got, the little fine edge with the drop point blade. Like I said, the partial serrations. It's got 3/4 tang. Now, the biggest reason behind that, I believe it comes down to about right there. Biggest reason behind that is if you're cutting through an aircraft and there's possible live wires, you don't want to sever one and electrocute yourself and have that pure hunk of metal sitting right there. I do like the fact it has some lashing holes here, so in case you are down somewhere, you can tie this to, a big old stick and make yourself a spear. Down here on the pommel, it's got a glass breaker, which, yes, I've used before, and this little area right here is designed to be used as a hammer. Now, the handle, that's one part about this blade that kind of disappointed me. It's glass-filled nylon, aka plastic, and it has a TPV overmold, which, okay, so you coated plastic with grippier plastic. Alright, cool. As you can see, made in Portland, Oregon, so this one is made in the USA. Yeah, this is what kills me. So the sheath, they say, is flame retardant and ballistic nylon. The sheath is MOLLE compatible, or you can wear it around a belt. Right in here, there is a carbide cutter. Don't know if you can see that too well in there. But right there, you have to basically remove the hard plastic from the nylon sheath to be able to access that cutter. Okay. So, as we usually do, we're taking a look at the cost. Now, this is what kills me. Alright, full disclosure, I got this in a battle box. I believe it was their second welcome box. If I remember, I'll put a card right up there that shows you that whole box. On Gerber's website, the black model here is going to run you $108 flat. Over on Amazon, it's $75.08 with free shipping. Now, the ratings on Gerber's website is 5 out of 5 stars, And on Amazon, it's 4.7 out of 5. But, you know, there we go. That's a quick look at the Gerber LMF II Infantry. If you are a very first time viewer of this channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your time and watching this video. I know you've got many options out there on YouTube, and I'm very thankful that you chose my channel and you chose to watch this video. Now, you're going to be seeing a symbol popping up right down here. That's going to be the company logo. Please go ahead and click on that, and that's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've clicked on subscribe, please click on the bell icon, and that's going to notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 of them are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube has selected from my catalog of videos, and they're going to think it's a good viewing experience for you. You know, I've had to run it over the work sharp, you know, the guided knife and tool thing, so that's why you're seeing that. And even over here, that as well. Haven't been able to take it out in the middle of the woods and beat on it as much as I'd like to, but, you know, we're hoping to change that real soon. But that's it, guys. The Gerber LMF II Infantry. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.